Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Kraken API to track transaction status step by step clearly. To withdraw using the Kraken API and track transaction status, you need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a verified Kraken account and have created an API key. Log in to your Kraken account. Navigate to the API settings section. Generate a new API key with the necessary permissions for withdrawals and querying transaction status. Make sure to save your API secret securely. Now, open your preferred coding environment. Install the Kraken API client library if you haven't already. This can typically be done using pip for Python. Import the necessary libraries in your script. Use the API key and secret to authenticate your API client. To initiate a withdrawal, you'll need the asset you want to withdraw, the amount, and the withdrawal address. Prepare a withdrawal request using the API's withdrawal method. Check the Kraken API documentation for the exact parameters required for the withdrawal request. After submitting the withdrawal request, capture the response from the API. Look for the transaction ID in the response, as this will be crucial for tracking. To track the status of your transaction, prepare a request to the API's transaction status endpoint. Input your transaction ID in this request. Send the request to the Kraken API. In the response, you'll receive the current status of your withdrawal. If the status shows that the withdrawal is pending, you may need to wait for further confirmation. Once the status updates to completed, you can verify the funds have arrived at the withdrawal address. Keep a log of all transaction statuses for your records. Test the process with minimal amounts before making larger withdrawals. This will help you become familiar with the API interactions and ensure everything functions as expected. Always refer to the Kraken API documentation for the most current information and best practices. This will ensure a smooth experience and help troubleshoot any issues that may arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.